So these wonderful, large and lavish terraced houses, they have been built to the highest of specifications from the inside out. We know that we've provided a really good product. When we first looked at this piece of land, council and other people in the environment were trying to tell us that we should have probably been putting 6 houses here. What we did instead was we thought, well, let's do 4. Yes, they're going to be bigger, but let's really emphasise them, turn them into 2 blocks of 2. Now the advantage of that is that every single house has 3 walls of windows to be able to take in the light, and being able to put a deck in front of that and a massive big sliding door, it really does make the house feel a whole lot more comfortable and a whole lot more warm. That kind of as a starting point went to kind of set a scene for where we were going to take this. So not only do you have 4 houses of 4 different floor plates and 4 different sizes and different arrangements and different directions, but then it's the colours. And the colours, for us, what it enables is people to be able to walk in and sort of identify in their own way how they would connect to it. What I really like is when people walk in and you can almost see the wow moment, because they're thinking they're walking into a terraced house. It's nothing like that. They go, wow, and the sun's beaming in and you've actually got a reasonably nice outlook, especially from the top floors. They're really easy to look after and really easy to live in. Lots and lots of storage, double car garage, lifts in 2 of them. Yet they all have 3 bedrooms, they're all 2.5 bathrooms. I see these 4 that we've now marketed as joining that community. And they are a community of caring people that keep an eye out for each other. And look, they have been nothing but welcoming to my team, and we've obviously been part and parcel with this whole process with them the whole way through. And we're really looking forward to having our new people move in and join the community, which is the David Reid Homes Stockade View community. Being able to be part of a David Reid Homes environment means that you get looked after forevermore.